In a town where the sun always shone, lived a curious little boy named Tim. Tim had a special hobby. He loved to ask riddles. He was known as the Little Riddler in his town. One day, Tim found an old, dusty book in the attic. It was a book of riddles, and it said, "Solve these riddles, and I shall reveal a great treasure." Tim's eyes sparkled with excitement. What walks on 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs at noon, and 3 in the evening? Tim asked his friends, reciting the first riddle from the book. They pondered, laughed, and made guesses, but no one could answer. Tim continued to solve the riddles, each one more challenging than the last. The townspeople were amazed by his intelligence and persistence. Tim was getting closer to the treasure, but there was one riddle left. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? Tim asked, reading the last riddle. The townspeople were stumped. I know the answer, a young girl named Lucy shouted. The answer is an echo. Everyone cheered. Tim was overjoyed. He had solved all the riddles. The old book opened to reveal a golden key. Tim used the key to unlock a hidden chest in the town square. Inside was a beautiful kite, a present from the town for Tim's bravery and cleverness. From that day forward, Tim was no longer just the Little Riddler. He was the hero of the town. And every time the wind blew, you could hear Tim's laughter echoing through the streets, a reminder of the adventure that brought the town together. The end.